I think they're awesome. I mean, we revived the marching band in 2010, and here we are in 2022 with brand new uniforms. We raised the money in such a short time thanks to our awesome donors and fans, and now we're going to look just as great as we sound.
We were lucky to be able to have enough money to be raised to afford them, and I think they look really slick.
I think they look amazing. Coming here and seeing everybody in the same uniform makes everyone feel really connected, and we all just feel like we play way better when we're wearing them because it's just amazing to have. We just play much better with them.
These uniforms are really awesome. They just make us look more dignified on the field, and we are really excited to show them off this year.
I think the kids are really showing a lot of pride in how they're going to look on the field. Year to year, we generally sound good. I think we sound really good this year. This will give us a real polished, professional look and allow us to be competitive with other schools.
And I think I look pretty slay.